Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will continue the chapter coordinate geometry. Today we will solve practice set 5.2 example number 11. If A having coordinate -14, -10 and B having coordinate 6, -2 is given, find the coordinate of the point which divide the segment AB into 4 equal parts. Let the segment joining the point A having coordinate -14, -10 and B having coordinate 6, -2. Let the point P, point Q, point R be the point that divide the segment AB into 4 equal parts. Therefore, the first part AP is congruent to second part PQ, is congruent to third part QR, is congruent to fourth part BR. If you observe this figure, tell me, on the left hand side of point Q there are two equal parts. Also on the right side of point Q there are two equal parts. That means point Q is a midpoint of segment AB. Therefore we use here midpoint formula. Tell me, the x coordinate of midpoint Q is nothing but x1 plus x2 upon 2. x1 is nothing but x coordinate of point A, and which is -14, plus x coordinate of point B is nothing but x2, which is 6 upon 2. The 14 and 6 has opposite sign, therefore we take subtraction. Who is greater? 14 is greater, therefore give the sign of 14. And 14 minus 6 is nothing but how much? 8. Therefore minus 8 upon 2. Dividing by 2 we will get x coordinate of point Q is equal to -4. Similarly we find y coordinate of point Q, and tell me formula. y1 plus y2 upon 2. Here y1 is nothing but y coordinate of point A, which is -10, plus the y coordinate of point B, which is -2, divided by 2. Here in the numerator 10 and 2 has same sign, therefore we take addition, which is the same sign negative, therefore give the same sign to the answer, and 10 plus 2 is nothing but how much? 12, therefore -12 upon 2. Dividing by 2 we will get the y coordinate of point Q is equal to -6. Therefore the coordinate of point Q are -4, -6. Now if you observe the figure, the point P divides the segment AQ into equal part. AQ हा segment घेतला तर या पॉइंट P मुळे काय झालेत, AQ चे AP आणि PQ हे दोन इक्वल पार्ट झालेले आहेत. That means point P is the midpoint of segment AQ. Therefore by midpoint formula, the x coordinate of point P is nothing but x1 plus x2 upon 2. Here x1 is nothing but x coordinate of point A, which is -14, plus x2 is nothing but the x coordinate of point Q, which is -4 upon 2. Here 14 and 4 have same sign, therefore give the same sign. We take addition, 14 plus 4 is nothing but how much? 18, therefore -18 upon 2. Dividing by 2 we will get x coordinate of point P is nothing but -9. Y coordinate of point P is nothing but y1 plus y2 upon 2. y1 is nothing but the y coordinate of point A, which is -10, plus y2 is nothing but the y coordinate of point Q, which is -6 upon 2. Similarly here 10 and 6 has same sign, therefore give the same sign and take addition. 10 plus 6 is nothing but 16, therefore -16 upon 2. Dividing by 2 we will get the y coordinate of point P is -8. Therefore the coordinate of point P are -9, -8. Now here the point R divide the segment BQ in two equal parts. That means R is a midpoint of segment BQ. Therefore by the midpoint formula, the x coordinate of point R is nothing but x1 plus x2 upon 2. Here x1 is nothing but x coordinate of point Q, which is negative 4, plus x2 is nothing but the x coordinate of point B, which is 6 upon 2. Here the 4 and 6 has opposite sign, therefore we take subtraction. Here 6 is greater than 4, therefore give the sign of 6, and 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2 upon 2. Therefore dividing by 2 we will get x coordinate of point R is 1. Now to find the y coordinate of point R, we know that the y coordinate of point R is nothing but y1 plus y2 upon 2. Here y1 is nothing but the y coordinate of point Q, which is negative 6, plus y2 is nothing but the y coordinate of point B, which is negative 2 upon 2. Here 6 and 2 have same sign, therefore give the same sign. And we know that if the two numbers have same sign, then we take addition. 6 plus 2 is nothing but how much? Negative 8 upon 2. Dividing by 2 we will get the y coordinate of point R is negative 4. Therefore the coordinate of the point R are 1 comma negative 4. Therefore the coordinate of the point which divides the segment AB into 4 equal parts are negative 9 comma negative 8. The coordinate of second point is negative 4 comma negative 6, and coordinate of third point is 1 comma negative 4. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, also share this video. Thank you.